Good morning. Spray at the bottom. Getting the levels. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Are we ready to make this money? I hope so. All right, we're going to try to make it easy, simple. We got our level set. I'm getting Tesla's level set to go. We do not need to get into a trade at 9:30 on the dot, guys, unless you are exiting a position. Hopefully, if you swung something and it went your way, you can go ahead and exit your positions while I go ahead and get our levels up. Alrighty. So we all locked in. Bring a friend. Bring a friend. And let's make the dreams happen today. Let's take a look at what's going on. All right, we're all good. IWM. Let's see. IWM right now. Google's on top. We are looking at some items here, guys. IWM looks like it is coming down. PLTR is dumping. Get on a 10-minute chart. We're waiting patiently. All right now, Apple is looking good. Looking at Uber. Google, guys. Woo, Google came up out the box today, buddy. AMD is strong. Okay. So the tickers we're looking at today are Google. We're looking at AMD. We're looking at Walmart. And CVX. CVX was a great buy last week. Oh, I'm up 20. Let's see how much percent. I'm up 23% today on CVX. I put this in on Friday. CVX is going to be a good swing trade, guys. I put all my homies on it. If y'all not in it, that's on you. It was very, very reasonable. I ain't even lying to you. About $150 per contract already has given a return of $75 on that just in 3 days. Okay, so CVX is looking right. We got Walmart looking right. Let's do some pivots on here. These what you gonna make money on today, guys. AMD, Walmart. Let me see. I need to add some pivots here. One of these. All right, so we already got our levels on Tesla and SPY. They're not doing nothing, but AMD, Walmart is doing good, especially Walmart, especially AMD. Google's coming back down to the box. All right. I am loving it. I'm going to, let's see these next levels. AMD is just, phew. I'm waiting for a pullback 934. AMD, Walmart, heavy on my radar right now, guys. Please pull it up on your own charts. Remember, have this screen with my call outs, but you need to have your own chart so you can see exactly where you're getting in. Never be dependent on somebody else, right? I'm teaching you to be fishers of men, not sheep. Okay? Real talk. I want y'all to know that. I want y'all to be independent. That's why I'm not charging nothing for this. I don't want you to be hooked. I want you to be able to look at the chart and go, dang, okay, boom, comes out the block. It's above the 200. It's above the 25. Let's get it, get it, get it. I want you to be so confident in how you're moving. You know what I mean? Jelly beans. A lot of people out here want to get you just hooked. And then when they system crash, you're like, I don't know what to do. I want you to know what to do. For sure. AMD is really, really good, guys. Walmart pulling back, but that's just that remember color change event at 9:35. You just want to wait for the pullback. You want to wait for the pullback, then get in. If it can hold it, if it can hold VWAP, then it's all good. Right? So far, we got some momentum pulling into SPX. So remember, I said hold, wait for the color change. The color change is happening right now as we speak. I am not in any position. I am not in any position to go there with you today. I'm just kidding. We're just waiting for it to hold the line. If you guys want to know, I'm looking at the 2-minute chart. SPY is looking nice. SPY is actually opening up in the middle of the box. Tesla is breaking down to the bottom of the box. Remember, if you want to add these indicators, please add them for yourself. It's the range box indicator on TradingView and Fibonacci. If you got questions, you can ask me. I'm here. CVX pulling up. CVX pulling up. All right. Still in the color change event moment on AMD. Google is breaking the color change. It has bursted above that. The line, let's see, 338. I need to add these pivots. Here, guys. Pivots. Pivot. All right, remember, I'm still waiting, guys. Remember, I don't like to get into anything until it's 9, but it looks safe. Google is looking pretty fantastic. All right, AMD is looking promising. This is the color change, and if it breaks the color change events, Walmart is breaking color change event. So Walmart is an amazing. SPY looks like it is struggling to get past its middle, but it's in a middle level. So remember that, guys. Like when it's in the middle of a level, do not touch it. Do not touch it. Walmart looks fantastical, and they're I tell you, Walmart, y'all better stop playing with Walmart. I mean, I just entered in Walmart right here at 119. Let me put up my weekly. My stop loss is under 118. Mental level, stop loss, mental level. Let me do the weekly really quick. And I'll tell y'all what it is. Walmart looks like it could get to 120. Walmart looks like it could hold a line to 120. It is strong. Still waiting on AMD. I'm letting y'all know now I'm up 5% on Walmart. This is 940. All right, Google is holding the line if anybody's interested in Google. Google is holding the line. I need to put some pivots on here. Google always scares me. I don't know why, but when I see Google, I'm like, but I'm going to try Google out. Because once Google decides it's pulling back, boy, it's pulling back. But all right, I'm going to go ahead and get into Google. And I'm liking the 350 call. It's pulling back. It's pulling back. I'm preparing to get in it. Let's see. Let me go to a scroll timer. Waiting. I'm looking at contracts in Google. Okay. I did a 350 call. Now that's out the money, but I still think it could do good. All right. AMD is going. AMD is going. Let's see here. Like it. I like it a lot. AMD is nice. I think AMD might push up, guys. Remember, if you guys don't know how to set levels, then I encourage you to add the pivot indicator on your chart. I encourage that for sure. All right, guys, remember 942. I do like AMD. AMD is nice, guys. Find something that is close to the money. If you can't, then that's okay. Then don't get in the trade. You know, just let it cook. Let it figure itself out. I promise you'll be fine. All right. Let's see. All right, gold, Amazon. Looking good right now. Gold is looking good, guys. Gold is GLD or GDX. Make sure you set your stop loss level in your mind. Yeah, these pivots. I keep forgetting. Ooh, CVX. Whew, buddy. Let's go, CVX. Let's go, CVX. CVX is really nice. All right. Remember, if you're in the trade, take your profit after 2 to 5 bars. Don't be greedy and give all your money back. I mean, I know it's like you work all day long and then you're like, let me get my money back. No, no. This is not a regular job. We do not slave. We get our money and we go. Like little bandits. You know what I mean? CVX is nice, guys. I mean, whew, up 27% on CVX. SPY and Tesla are just not it. So what I'm seeing today, guys, is tech looks a little mixed. CVX and energy is looking fantastic. Mhm. Gold and silver are it today, guys. Gold and silver. I told y'all to get in silver last week. Please don't say I don't give y'all plays because I really do. Silver. Let me look at silver, guys, so y'all can see what's cracking. Silver. Oh, yes. Silver just broke out its range box. Okay. So remember, we are going into our next leg. It is now 9:45. A lot of people like to enter in trades around here. CVX is going nuts. Phew! Up 32% on CVX, guys. Silver is about to do that thing. Now, if you want to get into CVX, do not jump in while it's skyrocketing. All you got to do, guys, is wait for a nice little baby pullback and you will be good. You will be nice. Energy is going good today, guys. Energy. I got energy. I got. Y'all like that song? I love that song. All right, Google looking good. Google is looking good. Like it might want to hold. Geez, CVX. God. Y'all. You know I get excited about a good swing play now. Woo, y'all. Y'all playing. Y'all look at that CVX. Tell me, I hope y'all ain't green. Please. Your girl told you. CVX and silver. Called it. I want y'all to win. Let's go. All right, here we go. Everything looks good, guys. Everything's looking nice. If you have profit, take it. Remember, we're going into the 951 pullback. This is where now I'm going to tell you right now, this is where people's confidence, you're going to see who's confident, who you're going to see who's not. Most people they can't withstand a 951 pullback. So if you're a type of person who can't handle the 951 pullback, that's okay. Just get in after 951. There's a remedy for that, babies. There is a remedy. Oh, CVX 33% up. Nice. All right, guys. Everything I've called out today is in green, y'all. Everything I have called out is in green today. Proud of you guys. Let's go. AMD, Walmart. Looking at these dang pivots. Let me go back to Tesla. Tesla is not cute today, guys. Mm. So I want to let y'all know where I'm at. I told y'all where I was getting in. I'm in Google and Walmart. I love AMD though. I tried to get in AMD and it wouldn't feel me at first. That's okay. All right. Are y'all babysitting looking at the screen? Are you guys in awe of the candles? Oh man, I know that feeling. Like I just don't know what to do. Are y'all wishing y'all could get in a trade? What do y'all need? Let me know how I can support you with the next steps. It's 9:49. AMD looks so good. I'm telling you something about AMD though. It's so funny. Uh, SMCI just came across. CVX is holding that line. Now remember, when it holds a line like that, I want you to be prepared of the pullback. Remember, 950 is the 950 pullback. This is where people get shaky in their confidence. But when you have strength like that, many times it pushes through and it goes all the way through the day. And that's what I'm aiming to give you guys for today. I want you guys to be able to have tickers that do well all day long, not just for 5 minutes. Okay. All right. The pullback is happening. Hold the line. Try not to get scared. It's scary. I know. Come on, y'all can do this. This is why you don't over leverage. Breathe. Because the truth is, it could go backwards. That is the honest to God truth. That's the honest to God truth of what happens at 9:51. Because at 10 o'clock is when the professionals decide to pour in volume or not. Walmart volume is pouring in. Thank you, God. Okay. I am at Walmart. Up 13%. AMD is pulling back. I did not get an AMD. I'm in Google, Walmart. SPY is still stuck in its little box. SPY might be preparing to do a put today. Walmart's still strong. For the life of me, well, can I just focus and put the pivots on here? I'm just really trying to keep it together, guys. Remember, grab the pivot indicator. Right. Oops. We're gonna look good. If we can hold, gosh, guys, XOP energy is good today, guys. I believe XOP. Um, just trying to watch it. You don't want to lose your first leg of profit. Remember, if you can get in later, get it. If you don't understand by your runners, what runners mean is so you start off with 2 contracts, right? So, Tesla's going up, guys. Okay, Tesla's reversing on us. Looks like it could be nice. It didn't hit the bottom. So, if anybody's interested in Tesla, it is crossing the 72 level. That looks like it's nice and healthy. Yes, it does. It's 9:53 now. Remember, hold the line. If y'all can make it through this, it's either grab your profit before 9:51 or learn how to hold the line and give it all back or triple it. That's the rule. I know I hate it. It sucks. So wherever you are before 9:51 is either got to be okay with you or you got to just wait till after it's done and then the volume card starts pouring in at 10 o'clock. That's where all the professionals start to add their positions. In the beginning, their professionals are taking their positions a lot of times. So that means they're getting the profit from their sales and their buys and their calls. So let's see what we're gonna do. All right, 9:54. You see Tesla pulling back. So I always like to wait for this little window. This window is not it's not conducive to trading. This little 9:51 10:07 window is not conducive to trading. It's very scary. Okay. I am up on Walmart. Google is doing this pullback, and like Google always does, it gives you this big poof, and then it retracts on you, so it gets a little wobbly. So that it's like kind of like you need to grab your dang profit with Google, and then re-enter it later if it makes sense for you. Is this helping y'all today? Wake up, wake up. I'm just playing. What you got? No, I'm not playing. I do want you to wake up. All right. Let's see what else. So, all right, we're in 9:55. We got 5 more minutes or so before the next wave of volume comes in and lets us know how it's going to fare out for the rest of the day. If you are going to learn how to get through the 9:51 lull, my suggestion is just being like one little contract. Oh, somebody has 67% on CVX. I see you. I see you. Okay, well, I'm so proud of you guys. Love it. Let me put a little heart. Boop. All right. All right, XOM is coming in, Exxon Mobil. So gas is still moving. So that's a good sign. CVX just had a super high as run. Okay, so uh, all right, remember 9:56 volume is starting to slowly pour back in to our babies. It just got to take a breather. Let me sip my little tea. Remember, your goal is $1. Your goal is $1. If you being greedy, man, that's your fault. My thing is, I just want y'all to get $1. Okay, if y'all can't get $1, then and that's just not enough. It's the skill we're trying to get. You can turn $1 into $100. You can turn $1 into $1,000. But if you can't get $1, you can hang it up. So we gonna get our dollar today. But I definitely like for y'all to get more than $1. But we're perfecting a skill set that nobody can take from you. Nobody, not even Trump. Okay, he can't take it from you guys. He loves traders. I'm convinced. I think that the U.S. wants everybody to trade. That's what I really think in my soul. So when people go, "Oh, there's nothing I can do," I think that they're all being driven to learn how to get into the stock market. I've always felt like that, though. The stock market is here to support the companies of America. So why, you know what I mean? Make it make sense. All right, 9:57. 9:57. 9:57. Can we get till 10 o'clock? When 10 o'clock hit, that's gonna be the truth of the tickers. So y'all got a little bit of a half truth. I like to call the first half of the day, the first 9:30 to 10, the love bombing session. It be showing you its best side, telling you how much, hey, come play with me today. And then it ghosts you at at 10 o'clock. And then, but if it's a real one, it's gonna be around after 10 o'clock. Okay. Okay, y'all like that. And I'm trying to give y'all real ones. I don't like ghosters and fake love bombing people. I can't handle them. And they know I see right through them because I'm a therapist. I'd be like, you fake, get out my face. Something wrong with you. Something is wrong. Something don't add up. You must be crazy. All right, guys. SLV, AMD. Come on now. Are my babies showing me? Are they love bombers today? Or they real ones? Let me know, Walmart. You always real for America. When Walmart move, Walmart, it's a beast. All right, here we go. 9:59. Here it goes. Here we go. What's the truth? 9:59. Ready. I hope you got your profit on CVX unless you're in a swing. I'm in a swing till March. I'm not jumping out trying to. All right, here we go. 959. I mean, volume just poured in. Volume just poured in nicely. I held the line. I trusted that my little tickers weren't love bombers, but they were actually givers and not just takers. Okay? I better start looking at the stock market like your love life. Shit, y'all better look. It'll teach you some things. Are y'all dating Microsofts or Teslas? Teslas are toxic. They're the person that pops up and texts you and be like, hey, what you doing? And you don't say nothing, but they say it every day. What you doing? What you doing? But don't have no plans for you. Okay. Tesla does that. No plans. But it does give you a dopamine rush because you will get some money off Tesla. Yes, you will. Maybe they're like a sugar daddy or sugar mama. Maybe Tesla's like that. I don't know. Because they're definitely here to give you some profit. All right, here we go. 1001. 1001. All right, Walmart is picking up the pace. So glad we held the line on Walmart. Walmart is definitely the father figure, the good father figure. Let me say that. All righty, we are up. Okay, is Google going to do what it needs to do? I told you Google scares me. This was a risk. 1001. All right. Okay, here we go. 1001. Right. We're waiting patiently. All righty. All right, so I don't know. We're still above VWAP. 1001. Let's see. Remember, people are at the VWAP line to fill the orders. Once they grab the VWAP line, they tend to bounce back above it. What are we going to do, guys? All right, if you didn't get your profit off of Walmart, I don't know what to tell you. Let's go. Wait for your next entry on your next one to get in, guys. Remember, this is the second shift. So the first shift is from 9:30 to 9:51. Second shift is the break, 9:51 to 10. And then the next shift is coming up is 10 o'clock. Tesla's got a lot of calls coming in, guys. A lot of calls are coming in. SPY looks like it is about to tank. What is SPY doing? Is it just grabbing? I think it's grabbing because yesterday, if y'all remember, oh, NVIDIA's toxic too. Okay, well, sometimes people built for toxic. I can't be mad at it. I'm built a little bit for toxic. I'm not gonna lie. I'm trained in dealing with toxic people, so I probably exhaust them. Like, try another trick, because that ain't it. Boop. Oh, they hate it. I'm like, so what you're doing is, and they're like, oh God, this is the worst. Yeah. Go ahead and be toxic. We'll figure out your pattern over here. All right, guys. All right, so here we go. The 1004, mind you, what is happening is prices are pulling back up off of the VWAP, which is saying that it may hold. Tesla, it looks like it is bouncing up off of the order block. So it looks like SPY Looked like it grabbed its, you know, the little guys at the bottom, the buyers. So we're going to see what happens here. $10.05. Okay, guys. When it's above VWAP, that's a good sign. All right, Tesla looks like it is finally preparing for a move up. And there are calls coming into Tesla, and it is moving. Oof. Okay. Buddy. I'm liking it. I just need to see, can it hold above, because remember, Tesla started off as a put this morning. If it can't get above that 50% line, remember, it's not worth it. So we're waiting. We're waiting patiently. How many times have you looked back at a chart and go, dang, it moved like that for the rest of the day? I could have got in later. So don't make these charts make it feel like you're running out of time, okay? Because that's really what charts can visually do, is make you feel like you have to get in, that there's no move. But if you saw yesterday, SPY went up like $5. It was crazy. I am, let's see, here we go. All right, what's Google doing? All right. Okay. All right, now Tesla just pushed up past the midline. That is a good sign. It pushed up past the past 5 bars. That is good. Now, can it hold it? Now, remember, when it pushes up, there will always be a pullback. You have to let the bar close. This is where patience comes in. You gotta let the bar close. They'll fake you out. Y'all ever see wicks on a chart where you just see like the lines? Well, that's because it got up to a certain level and then it fell down at the end of the time, and it created a range within that wick. And that's why you have to be really, really patient and let it cook. Let it cook and bake till the timer goes off. So right now we're on a 5-minute chart. So we had 2 minutes left in this candle, and watching it dance. It's dancing for 5 minutes straight. Okay. Let it dance. Okay. Energy is doing really great today, guys. XLE. CVX is just, I'm in CVX till March. So I'm just letting y'all know. I'm not cutting CVX. It has plans, some good plans for me. All right, here we go. Last minute of, so here's some little tricks. Last minute of the 5-minute candle is happening right now. It is moving closer to the top. Now we are waiting to see, does the next bar go up, and then we can probably get to 453. Tesla calls are pouring in, by the way, guys. Alrighty. Let's see. All right. Okay, so Tesla just opened up the second. Now we're going into the next candle. It opened up, looks like a little below, right? So we were waiting patiently. What we want to see is Tesla going to go pop up above that high, which is 450. That's what we're waiting on. Can it go up above 450 and then it will continue its trend? If not, then we are looking for it to continue down. That one big candle fakes people out so bad, and they be like, man, I just knew it was going up. No, you didn't know that. It looked like it. It was just grabbing some buyers and sellers and all things. All right. Google looks nice still. Google hit the VWAP. CVX is starting to gain momentum again. Mhm. All right, what's it going to be, guys? CVX to 165, perhaps. Hope you got your profit. CVX paid you so good today. Isn't it great? You getting paid like just like the oil tycoons. Oh, we're getting some money off of the oil guys. So when you went and got some gas today, you can go and say, thank you. I'm going to support you, Chevron, because you supported me today. All righty. We're going 10-12 now. 10-12 volume is pouring in again. Volume is pouring in. Oh, look at Tesla, guys. Looking at Tesla. So Tesla did break above 450. Nice. That's a nice little situation. I like it. I do like it a lot. So if it goes up, it's probably going to go up to the box and perhaps come down if it cannot hold it. But that is what happens when you mess around in the middle of the box. You don't know. You just don't know, honestly. But it did break above 450. Can it hold it is the question. There's some good reversal traders. I'm just not a good reversal trader. I need to see it. I need to see it start off from the beginning going up. I don't know. I don't trust it when it does it because I know it's probably not going to go past the high of the day. It's like literally an 11% chance for it to go past the high after it started off low. Understand those probabilities when you are trying to reversal trade. It's very rare. Okay. Okay, guys, let's see what we're doing. All right. Looks like Walmart is catching its next breath. I like to look at Walmart like an old man who's really in shape, you know? He's going to make sure he's out there mowing the lawn, but he has to go take a break for some lemonade. Okay. And his break may be a little bit longer than the younger guys. So we're going to call him the old farmer. All right. Tesla, on the other hand, thinks he's never getting old. And he just is like, he's going to probably burn himself out. That's what he's got going on in his life cycle. Okay, looks like SPY might be making its pullback from yesterday. So remember, it made a super, super big move yesterday, and now it is adjusting itself. CVX also looks like it is figuring itself out too. I'm trying to see what SPY is going to do. If SPY can reverse off 72 level, that would be a nice move up. But remember, it's coming out the order block from today. Okay. All right. See, Tesla is just acting, I don't know. 11% chance, guys. What does it say? CVX, Google, XLE were just added to the breakout. So that means there's some volume coming in. It's right here, guys, on the thing. CVX, Google, XLE, Walmart. These are good swing opportunities if you want to hold the line on that. Mm-hmm. Yeah, CVX is good. This is a nice, good place to re-add a position if you're going to do at least CVX. I like it. Walmart looks good. Walmart has been added to swing trade eligibility. Yes, it has. I like it. Walmart will pay you. Y'all think it's a game. Back in the day, people used to buy a ton of stock in Walmart. They really are for the people. Sort of. I mean, they're there to take your money at the end of the day. All right, let's see here. Yes, all right. SPY just got the move that is headed down further. It's just balancing itself out from yesterday, guys. That's all. Nothing to be scared about. It has to balance itself out. That's why you don't chase highs. And literally in life, don't chase a high because it will burn out. And then you'll be sad. Looking for another high. It's how people get on drugs, like hard drugs. Eventually, we just don't do it no more. All right, Google is exiting. Listen to this. This is big, big, big news. Google is exiting an order block. It is exiting the order block, which is good. That means that Google has a lot of volume pushing into moving up. Okay. So I just want to let y'all know that. I did not get an AMD because I know AMD is a love bomb. It loves to give you a nice big push and then just fall down for the rest of the day. I learned my lesson. See, those are the kind of ones you want to get in, get out. A situationship, perchance. You're not somebody you want to marry. Don't marry AMD. AMD needs to prove its potential. Walmart, amaze. Introduce Walmart to your dads and moms. Mm-hmm. They might have a Ford truck, though. They might not be driving a Lamborghini, even if they're a millionaire. So don't be just counting them out because they're driving a pickup truck. Guys who drive pickup trucks are usually really fiscally responsible. I don't know if you know that, but they're very good money managers. It's a trait. I'm going to have to look that up, but everybody I know who drives a truck, they manage pretty well. in life. Is that a thing? Maybe because they see it's really practical. I don't know. Let me see here. Okay. Google is trying to jump about the box here. Tesla, come on. Okay. Tesla might be trying to do something today, at least get to the top of the box. Okay. We're coming up to the last 10 minutes of the session. I hope it paid you amazingly today. I know we've got a winner in CVX. Bring y'all friends here. Because trust me, when you learn to trade, you're gonna want some trading friends. You ain't gonna want nobody over here that don't know how to trade. I promise you. You'll feel the hate in the room real quick. So get your trading friends, get your tribe together. I mean, unless they're already doing amazing and they don't care. Okay. Like I just can't do real estate. Some people are do great in real estate. I'd be like, no, that's not my jam. Too much paperwork. I mess around and then you lose your whole house because I didn't sign something. Do it. Do it. Well, it's fantastic today, guys. All right, Tesla is it's a dud. Tesla's a dud. I don't know what it's doing. It just passed a 72. Mm-mm. It's definitely giving dud. It needs to show me it's about something else before I agree to whatever it's talking about. Yeah, I don't know. And then Spy looks like it's gonna tank. CVX is pushing up, guys. All right. Now remember Google. Let's talk about Google for a second. Berkshire Hathaway has purchased a ton of Google. So it is safe to say that Google should continue to do its thing. All right. All right, got 8 minutes left, guys. This was pretty active. I liked it today. We came out the box nice. Okay. All right, 337. All righty. If you made money today, I'm proud of you. If you learned a new lesson today, I'm proud of you. If you were patient and decided none of these trades were for you, I'm proud of you. Proud of all y'all. Just for showing up this morning. Y'all could be still sleeping in the bed or listening to your boss or doing some work on the low low or texting a bunch of people good morning. I can't. I could be doing a lot. Oh God, Tesla is tanking. Who's going in for Tesla on a put? I'd wait for it to break the box if I went in for a put though, if I were you. I would wait for it to fill that little wick up if I was gonna do it. Unless you're gonna do it. Somebody just dropped 148,000 on Tesla puts in here. Oof. Oh yeah, guys. Spies tanking. What the world? I'm up 11% on Another Walmart contract. I feel like Walmart probably wants to go to like 120 before it's all said and done. Oh wow, CVX. Oh, the smoothicity of it all. My friend, are you in CVX still or what? Because this is a good look. This was a good one to keep your runners going. Oh my God, Tesla's falling apart. Oh my goodness. Oh Lord, guys. Mm-mm-mm. All right, SPY just crossed down the 72. 4 minutes left. CVX is strong. That's definitely our winner today, guys. Mm-mm. If you're looking at SPY puts, SPY might go down to probably 690. That's the 50% line. Okay. And Tesla broke that little wick area. 3 minutes left on the clock. Good job. You did your swing. Love it. Oh, I love when you guys win. Makes me swoon. Let's go, CVX. Yeah, the SPY, the Tesla, everything falling a freaking apart. They ain't like that today. Nope. All right, 3 minutes left. Mhm. Looking good. All right, well, if you guys, like I said, I'm holding CVX till March. Um, I'll let you know when I'm exiting it, but that's what we're doing over here. All right, my Walmart did go up. Google was a love bomber today. It held the line till about 9. Let me look back at Google. It held the line exactly till 10 and then broke up after the commitment window. Walmart, he stayed solid. He's marriage material. Google, I don't know. I don't know. He might actually mature this year. He might mature this year, guys. So just give Google, if Warren Buffett felt like Google was maturing, we might want to listen to him. He knows what he's talking about. Yep. I like it. Okay. Walmart continues to be strong this morning. And if you guys need to know, CVX may go to 167 next. That's the next pivot line. Um, Walmart's next pivot is 120 if you got in. And Tesla looks like it might go to 444 on that. All right, guys, it's 10:30. Go to the beach. I know y'all happy today. We did great. I can't wait to see you tomorrow, Lord willing. And y'all have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye.